Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're diving into the DJI Mic Mini, a wireless microphone system that's changing the game for creators who want pro-quality sound in the lightest, most compact setup possible. With its ultralight design, smart noise cancellation, and plug-and-play compatibility, this might be the mic your mobile setup's been missing. But at $219, is it worth the investment? Let's find out. All the links are in the description below. Scroll down and check them out. And before we go any further, hit that like button and subscribe for real. Design and build. The DJI Mic Mini features an ultra-lightweight design with each transmitter weighing just 9 grams. That's lighter than a AAA battery. The system includes a clip and magnet mounting solution, making it super versatile for shirts, jackets, or even camera rigs. The compact charging case keeps everything organized and ready to go on the move. Whether you're shooting indoors or out in the field, this thing won't weigh you down. Audio quality and performance. When it comes to audio, the Mic Mini packs a punch. You're getting 24-bit, 48 kHz recording with built-in noise cancellation for clean, crisp sound, even in noisy environments. The omnidirectional mic picks up natural, balanced tones that are perfect for talking head videos, interviews, and vlogs. And yes, it works seamlessly with phones, cameras, and laptops, no matter your setup. Compatibility and connectivity. This mic is all about plug and play. It supports USB-C, Lightning, and 3.5mm TRS connections right out of the box. The receiver has an OLED screen for real-time monitoring, gain control, and mute functions. No need for an app, no syncing headaches. Just plug in and go. Whether you're on iOS, Android, or DSLR, the Mic Mini fits right in. Battery life and charging. You're looking at up to 6 hours of runtime per mic, and a total of 18 hours using the included charging case. That's more than enough for an entire shoot day or a full weekend of content creation without reaching for the charger. USB-C fast charging ensures you're back in action in no time. User experience and features. What sets the Mic Mini apart is its ease of use. No onboard recording means it's lighter and more intuitive for users who just want quick, reliable sound. It's perfect for run-and-gun vloggers, TikTok creators, and event filmmakers who want pro-grade audio with zero learning curve. The automatic pairing, gain adjustment, and real-time level monitoring keep everything tight and controlled. Final verdict. So, is the DJI Mic Mini worth it? If you're a content creator looking for a compact, powerful, and dead simple wireless mic, then yes, this is an easy win. The clean audio, ultra portability, and no hassle compatibility make it a standout option in its class. While it doesn't offer onboard backup recording like the original DJI mic, its convenience more than makes up for it. If you're ready to upgrade your audio game, check out the links below. And if this review helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. We drop gear reviews every single week. I'm Top 5 Trey, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, and trust me, out of your top 5 decisions, subscribing will definitely be one of them.